wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best popsicle molds. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Progressive International Prepworks has an aluminum lid that not only helps speed the freezing process, but should also stand up to years of use when paired with the heavy-duty plastic base mold. However, it does require some effort to release the finished product. It comes with 50 wooden sticks and makes 10 treats at a time. However, note that it has to be hand-washed. At number 9, indents in the Norpro 423 let you create those classic-looking pops you may have grown up with as a child. It's free of harmful BPA and has grommets that hold the sticks perfectly upright. Each slot produces a 3-ounce treat. It works with thick and thin recipes and doesn't absorb flavors, but the top can crack if removed forcefully. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Nostalgic in appearance, the Tovolo rocket creates fun, space-themed treats that kids and adults can enjoy. All 6 containers sit on a slim but sturdy base that holds them securely and have drip guard handles to minimize messes. It can go in the dishwasher and the pops can be removed individually. However, the shape can come out undefined. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for popsicle molds, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, eschewing the traditional design, the Good Cooking Multicolor instead offer a fun and easy-to-eat push-pop shape. Their caps snap on securely to prevent leakage during freezing, and also come in handy when you want to save some for later. These are made of non-toxic silicone and can be frozen upright or lying down. They take up little space in a freezer. Moving up our list to number 6. With individual molds that sit inside a stable container, the Zoku ZK114 gives you a secure way to store your cold creations and the option to remove just the ones you want when ready. Unfortunately, the material is a bit fragile and the pieces can break if dropped. They do release with little effort and have wide drip guards. They're easy to fill too. Halfway up our list at number 5. Prepare a big batch of cold and healthy snacks in advance using the zipzicle pouches. They come in packs of 18, 36 or 100, are ready for nearly whatever size of party you're serving, and as their name promises, sealed to prevent leaks. These work well for frozen cocktails and are good for on-the-go yogurt too. They can be labeled with a Sharpie. At number 4, the mirenlife silicone produces snacks that are semi-flat and oval, making them easy to decorate and fun for a kid's party. Its transparent lid lets you monitor the readiness of your recipe, and the non-stick surface makes getting them out a breeze. The container is stackable and both oven and microwave safe. It won't absorb odors either. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, everything you need to make cold snacks and clean up after yourself is included with the lebice set. It has a brush to scrub out residue, a silicone funnel to help you guide ingredients into the containers, and even a spare mold in case a surprise guest stops by. It comes in several colors and is available in a 2-pack. It's good for making pudding pops. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for popsicle molds, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the vibrant Kitchen Paradise 1B is basic yet reliable. It can be sanitized conveniently in the top rack of your dishwasher, so you can use it again and again for years to come. Instead of wooden sticks, it has durable plastic ones. It's good value for the price, and the snug lids prevent leaks. The sturdy molds don't bend. And taking the top spot on our list, thanks to its stainless steel build that offers excellent insulating properties, the Onyx Pop 004 can produce frozen treats quicker than many other varieties. It's built to last through years of use and has a convenient basket that holds and separates each mold. It includes reusable bamboo sticks and protects against freezer burn. The finished edges are smooth. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for popsicle molds, or simply click beneath this video.